Hello listeners, this is Abhishek Lahoti, Assistant Vice President at ICRA Limited, and through this podcast, I will be sharing ICRA's view on Indian flexible office segment, also known as co-working spaces. The business model of flex workspaces in India started in 2017. During 2018 and 2019, many operators aggressively launched new centers as flex workspaces became popular with startups and SMEs and became established proof of concept. However, with the onset of COVID-19 pandemic, flex operators were among the worst hit with significant decline in occupancies due to large exposure to retail tenants and implementation of work from home policies. Post pandemic, the rise of hybrid working models and desire for diverse work settings saw a significant revival of flex segment in 23 and 24. As of December 2024, there are over 450 flex operators in India with more than 2000 unique center locations. The flex office supply for the top 6 cities in India has more than doubled to over 67 million square feet as of March 24 from 32 million square feet as of March 2020. ICRA projects it to further expand to 121 to 125 million square feet by March 2027. The demand for such spaces has increased at a brisk pace, driven by flexibility, short lease tenures, and lower upfront cost in terms of capex for tenants. The share of flex workspaces in the commercial office segment of non-SEZ spaces is expected to double to 12.5 to 13.5% in FY 2027 from 5.3% in FY 2020. While several flex office operators entered the space in recent years, the market remains organized with the top 5 players accounting for 40% of flex office space in FY 2024. IT firms have been leading demand contributors for flexible workspaces in India, followed by engineering and manufacturing and startup companies over the last 2 to 3 years. The top 3 segments accounted for around 67% of flex space leasing in 2024. With expected vacancy of around 122 million square feet within non-SEZ office supply and total flexible workspaces supply projected at 121 to 125 million square feet as of March 2027, the total addressable market for flex office spaces is estimated at 240 million square feet, surpassing rupees 600 billion in value by March 2027. This segment also has seen one successful IPO in 2024 via the office and is set to witness 5 major IPOs in next 12 to 18 months, which are projected to raise over 7,000 crore of equity. Notwithstanding handsome growth witnessed by flex office operators, the segment remains exposed to high lease renewal risk given short tenure leasing, increasing competitive intensity, availability of quality supply of office spaces at attractive locations, and exposure to cyclicality in the real estate sector, which will be key monitorables. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for our upcoming podcast.